Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is September 28th, 2021. Let's start taking a look at the futures today. Let's put our risk disclaimer on. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, let's start seeing what the market is doing today. Good morning, everybody. And big drop, 1% here, 0.72, 0.4. Oil still creeping up, and Nasdaq futures drop 1.5. Surging bond yields cause investors to flee tech stocks. GOP blocks that bill would prevent shutdown, suspend debt, limit. Scare. Interesting. There's the pull down. Okay, so basically there's some fear factor going on. Congress must raid by October 18th. Yellen warns the potential default looms. They're always in default. Okay, let's see where we are on our daily chart. So basically, this is the first half of the phase, like I was saying before, and now they did the pullback. So you would have made your 200 points here, cash out, come back down. Now, if you're a swing trader, you really got to watch. So if I put it to, let's see, I'll put a 60-minute chart. Where are we? Yeah, so we're actually technically just below the line right now. So you would have to really watch out for this. So basically, as a trader, yeah, 4 o'clock till 2 in the morning. Probably a sell-off today, guys. We'll find out again. So let's go back to the daily chart. So what I did is these lines here, I just marked the swing low. There was another swing low, and I think I got it on the 4-hour chart here. Yeah, so I marked them off these little extremities. So we're going to find out probably in about 5 minutes which direction it's going to go. But as you can see, for the longest time, guys, you know what? I'm going to add more days on this. Instead of 90, let's go 180. I want to see the 6-month period here. So basically, since May, we've been just cruising all the way up. And guess what? We're at this gray zone here on the trend cloud is we're doing our pullback. And it could be a serious pullback. We don't know yet, because this is the first time since June we actually touched this line and we're actually breaking. So we might get this little W pattern here of, well, that's 400 points. So this is about a 400-point move. So if we go from 1490, maybe we can get to 14.5 and 14.6 to these couple areas here. So we'll really have to watch out on that zone. Right now, we had a nice pullback. There's a couple, looks like a couple of double bottoms here. And what does it say on our swing scanner? So we got kind of whippy, actually. 935, maybe sell, snap back, and then pull down to 11. We'll find out. Yeah, I took, you'll see, I made a few bucks. I just took a little spike here just to this zone here. Now I'm going to wait. Fib retrace, delta is going up. Come on. Delta is going up, but we are still on the sell phase here. So if we do get a really good buy snapback, or buy would be really, really interesting, guys. But let's go to the other screen here. And so this is where the first phase is. We're going to see if it gets into this zone, taps, and continues on. And so, as you can see, we're getting a nice delta buy-in. We have a green bar here, but we also have a VWAP resistance, and we're 3 minutes before they open. So let me grab my coffee, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm back. So, what we're going to do is, see, how I have this set up 30-minute bars. Here's your volume point of control. Let me reload this. Okay, VWAP is fine. So there is 50, 70, 75 if we can pop through here. 50% mark. And where's our Fibonacci? 127. So the 811 is marking on a swing low here. So we could possibly go to a 41 if it starts shooting down hard. But we have 2 white up arrows here, a few of them. So that's a sign for pushing up, but we do have a lot of resistance and plus 1.73, which I need to get that indicator back online, which is driving me crazy. So we are 1 minute before the open. We're going to find out right away, see if delta is going to push up or down. We got to pop this zone, and so as you can see, this is the reason why I did that what I showed you guys yesterday. See how you see nice really groupings and then nice groupings and nice groupings. So this is our resistance grouping here, and right now we're just before market open, and we're going to find out right away here. And let me see something here if I can find it. So our market maker is way up here at 51.80. So if it does explode, that's where I'd love to hit. But let's see if there's going to be a crazy sell-off or a buy. We don't know yet. And we're off to the races. So we need to break 30. I might jump in right away here. See where she taps, if she just drops or not. Delta is pushing up, but we're going through a lot of resistance here. I need to see what the marker is. 935 peak. So that's your marker right here. So we need to know if we're going to be punching through this. If we punch through this, I'm going to jump in. Can I see what the support and resistance is on this? Well, which chart am I on? Okay, so I'm on that other one right now. It's okay, we'll keep it on there for now to see if she's going to pop. Got 3 bounces, a lot of resistance there. Four bounces. Might not break this. This is what we need to know. We need to know if it was breaking this minute after minute, right? So they're just trying to break this resistance level. And this could be our failed shot. This is still at volume point of control. Whew, 30-point swings. Just give it some time.
Order filled.
Okay, hopefully I went on the right direction here. We're going to find it right away here. I'm going to move this to the very top. And let's see if we're going to go down to this zone down here. I got to break this lower zone as well. I might have got in too deep. Because Delta is selling off like crazy right now. Wow, the numbers are too whippy. I'm going from -4 to push her down a little bit more.
Order filled.
I'll close that. That's a little too whippy for me. It's what the reason why I shut her down really quickly, and it might go. I don't care. It's bouncing 20 points. I'm watching it going from -10 to +5. So basically, I only made $50 on that round. It's just too whippy. I'm gonna let them vibrate this out. It might still go down. We don't know. But as you can see, I was watching. I was just watching the numbers. It still could probably crash, but that was crazy. It went from 30 to -60, and it still probably might push down. I just got to give it a few more minutes. At 9:35, we'll know where our stop volume is. So we have stop volume on the very top. Could be stop bottom on the bottom. They might be bouncing back and forth, and we need to give it some time here, because I was watching it pop, and then the big pull down, and then here, this isolation, look at this, from 80 to 95. It was just insane. And then it did it again. So it's still fighting, There could be a turnaround, or it could be just a big sell-off. Right now, the delta went from green, and now there's a little bit of red, but it's just oscillating too much. So we're just going to give it some time. It could be the 949 signal from this signal here, 949, 1055, or 935 could be bouncing it for vibration going back up. So we'll let them play this game for a while. There is no, let's say, aggressive sell-off. What are the other charts saying? Do I have any other charts here? So basically, from market open, this is market open price line. So from here to here, so we're just playing within that range. And what we have is we're technically on volume point of control. We're volume point of control. See where she's just holding here? So basically, it went up, fired down. We have 2 down arrows, 3 down arrows actually. But they're going to play this game for a while. First white arrow. We're on this zone. Still a little early. From 9:30 to 49, so we're 2 minutes in, so we could probably buy back in. We'll see what the pressure is. Yeah, she's still quite. You know what I need? I wonder if I should put the Williams on there because it's so vibrating. So we're at 80. See if we can get another white arrow pointing up. They're at 153, so if we were shorting, you want to hit it at this marking where the trigger fish is. But right now, as you can see, look how much we're oscillating from here to here, here to here. So there's not much that we know right now till she breaks out. I mean, you could take this area to go up. Oh, that's a possibility, because we've already got 3 minutes of markers there for it to go up. But right now we're really flat, so they're still playing this game. And if you look at it, oh, there's our breakdown a little bit. There we go. So they're going to break down at least to 56. So let's go for it.
Order filled.
And then what we can do is we'll put it back to no more markers there. So they're going to push it down to, that's where the wicks were. So let me see how many wicks we have there. Just enough wicks. Even if we make 5 points right now, it's vibrating too much here. Darn it, we were at 4 points there. What's our time right now? 41? Yeah, we can do it. Just back at volume point of control again. Another white arrow. Jeez, it's too whippy today. I might just cash it out as soon as I break even here.
Order filled.
6 points in, $305 so far, guys. Yeah, it's really whippy. I don't like it. It's they're just grinding its way down. There is no how do I say it? There's no nice rhythm right now. Or I guess there is a rhythm, but it's just really whippy. So $305 in. 2 trades in so far. Just too whippy for what I like. So we'll just give it a little more time here. What I'm looking at is I was looking at the momentum of the energy. I got in a little farther down just to try to get that 5 points. And so it went back up. Actually, the ATR fib worked really well, but see, we have a lot of resistance right here. It needs to break through, pop through all these levels. When it starts doing that, this could be double bottom too, because I'm looking at time frame at 45. 45 is going to hit. This could be a rejection, so they still might play this stupid game. And I really don't like it, the way the market's bouncing. It has that... well, look at it. Okay, well, it went to the peak, and now it's at the bottom of the 70% range. So they might just be bouncing back and forth here. Where are we on this? From those 4 peaks. So we're breaking 23. Well, she's off to the races. So now what I can do is I'll let it...
Order filled.
This will go to, for sure now, this will go down to... it will go to the 100 level for sure. Or what we can do is we can go to possibly Fibonacci. We'll let them punch it down. We've got 15 minutes now, so I'm going to move this way up here. Once it does another sell spike, I'm going to put actually a second contract in here. Because it will go down to, where are we right now? We're going to do the rejection there. I can put a sell limit there. I'll give us some time here. We're really going to push this now. Yeah, Delta's pushing hard. They're below the 25 level, so they're going to go for sure to the 1900 level. We could probably cash out at the 1900 and just keep them going for every quarter to quarter. Because we know it's going to punch, we got 15 minutes of playing here, and then they're going to punch it. So we got, let me see here, one arrow through here. This is resistance. Going back in here, pop down. Still too volatile for 20 points, but it will go down. 16 to, it's going to hit 900. Just wrapping it up. I should use triggerfish on this, guys. I haven't done that for... Oh no, I do use triggerfish fake out. That will keep me the numbers a little bit lower. For 3, so we're at 60 from 21. Now they're not on that matching number, so they're going to push down. And Delta is still selling. Okay, this is our move. Wow, 6 points. Keep on going. Come on. Let's break that 14.50 level. She's going to go here. Playing at 11 now. We're grinding at 11.
Order filled.
Another 8.5 points. There we go. We're done. $460 today. Grinding. I don't like the grinding. I hate grinding. I like rhythm. And basically, I'll show you what I'm looking for. Okay, here we go. First thing in the morning, we looked at the daily bar. And with the daily bar, I wasn't sure, or actually it was the news. The news originally said negativity, big negativity. So with big negativity, I expected still to go down a bit, but I wasn't sure how much the retrace was. So I was looking to hopefully do a buy-in, maybe as a really explosion, but there was no price action. It was vibrating like crazy. And so we've just been shorting our way down, just a quarter to quarter to quarter. But the volatility I didn't like. It's the bars are just all over the board. Like what I like to see is, you know, smaller bars and a turnaround like this. And so we are in extreme volatility such that the bars are from 30 to 79. And then we're playing this game here. She's tightening up slowly, but you can tell it's still straight down. So best bet is just keep on shorting, follow the energy. I'm watching the delta as well. And so we're, see, the ATR fib was trying to break through, and we're just trying to break down. But you know what? At 460, I'm done. I'm happy. You know, 3 to 5 a day, every day, a little bit, slowly but surely, and build up your account. If you have any questions, you can email me. Oh, you know what? Sorry, guys. Let's do this. That's what I was trying to show you. The volatility is crazy like this. I don't like it. It's too thick. This is nice. Easy to read. Here, yeah, it could be easy to read, but you got to watch your risk reward. And it's just vibrating everywhere. But if you have any questions, you guys can email me at abc123trader. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades and trade safe. And you guys have a great great day. Take care. Bye.